What's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. So in today's video, I've been waiting for this for so long. Some exciting news. We got the Dynojet Power Vision 3 for the Honda Transalp. I have been waiting for a long time for somebody to come out with a unit for a tuning solution for the Honda Transalp. Without further ado, let's get to installing the factory tune. So like I said, if you buy this, it comes with your stock factory Honda map and then the Dynojet map that they have provided. And for anybody that's curious or has any kind of tuning capabilities, you can get this on a Windows computer, plug it in. They provide you a USB cable for that as well, and then the bike cable that you're going to be using. So in my situation, I have the Verdan cruise control, which is connected to the diagnostic port. But don't worry, if you just want to flash your bike, you'll be able to flash your bike, disconnect your cruise control. We'll connect this, flash the bike, and then connect this back, and then we'll have the cruise control. But also, if you're interested, Verdan has a two-piece connector, so you can run this monitor if you wanted somewhere up here and also utilize your cruise control. But for today's video, we're just going to be showing you all how to flash the bike. And then we're going to hop on the bike, go for a ride, and see if we can feel any difference out the gate. And I have a set of arrow headers that I ordered for this bike well before I even had this bike in my garage. So one, I'm happy to be able to install those headers and see what the bike sounds like. And then, you know, have an aftermarket exhaust. The SC Project exhaust, but I can't install it because my luggage rack gets in the way. So if you're interested in that exhaust, $500 shipped to your house, and that's me losing like $300 on it. Let's get to installing the Dynojet Power Vision V3. Dude, having the AC from the mini split to be able to blow on you while I'm working on stuff, that is going to be an absolute game changer. So all I'm doing here, this diagnostic port is right here below this computer with this waterproof cable. We're going to go ahead and I just disconnected our cruise control. Boom. Then you're going to take your Power Vision. On the back side of the Power Vision here, you're going to plug this thing in exactly. Can only go one way. So let's go ahead, key the bike on. Take this out of the seat. All right, so we're gonna key the bike on, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what we're gonna do. So probably have it set up right. All required, blah, 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 blah. Select tune. All right, so there are only two tunes on the bike, or on the Power Vision. The DJT, the Dynojet tune, that is their factory tune, and their mapping. And then the one that says STK, that is your factory stock tune for your bike. This is a good time for me to tell you, if you're not already, if you're not in my Honda XL750 Transalp group on Facebook, I'll have it linked down in the description as well. So as you can see here, we're going to highlight the Dynojet tune, push this big button, and then we're going to press the middle button to start the flash. It's going to do its thing. Pair this, yes. Middle button, continue. Delete compatibility and add this file. So it's going to ask you if you want to delete your stock file and add the Dynojet tune. Of course. Let's go. Been waiting on this for a long time. So this may take several minutes. Don't know how long it's going to take, but I'm not going to make you guys sit here and watch this thing do the rewrite. All right, here we go. We heard the computer click. It's erasing the stock file, and it's going to be importing or writing. You're going to get a bunch of crazy stuff. If you've ever tuned a car and stuff like that, you know everything's going to flash and get all wonky and get all crazy on you. Do not worry about that at all. All right, here we go. Boom. Write is complete to verify flash. Turn the key off and then on. So here's what we're going to do. Key off. Key on. Boom, here we go. All right, so let's start the bike up. Let's go ahead and inhale all this carbon monoxide poison. active code, so that's good. So if you want to configure your gauges, obviously you can configure, there's a whole bunch of different gauges on here that you can configure. Let me turn the bike off. Okay, so as you can see here, there's all kind of Fahrenheit. There's all kind of different gauges that you can select and make for your units. So if you were gonna have your Power Vision 3 mounted up here somewhere, there's a plethora of things that you can do. So we flashed the ECU tune in less than 10 minutes. Let me go get my riding gear on, grab my helmet and GoPro, and then let's go see if we can feel some differences right off the bat with the new tune. I'm so excited.